All right, we're reloaded. Starting to set it off. Gonna see what happens. There's the final shell that's gonna go off isn't a big artillery shell, it's a small one. So we don't know what's gonna happen. If it's gonna go up in the air or catch the grass on fire. We'll see just what happens here in a second. I'm rolling, dude. Yeah, he decided he's gonna stand out here while it goes off. See what happens. Which way you going?
Go around to the front view. Yeah, I was gonna cut the tree limb, but yes, ma'am. He's out there. He wants to stay.
Is this the van finale?
This is it right here, brother man.
We used a lot more quick fuse in it to see just what happens.
Happy 4th of July, guys. Happy 4th of July to you too. Thanks for the fireworks show. You're welcome, sir.
Look!
You did a damn good job, sir.
And all the neighbors. Look, everybody. Look, she can stay right here.
Oh, there we go. There, you can see his cigarette.
Light it, Clint. I'm kidding. You'll know. Nice.
Guys, I have the hiccups. I have the hiccups. I tried to kill you. There's a way where you just scare them.
This is gonna be a big finale.
And they lose the hiccups.
Freaking loud.
It's like True, do you want your snorkel? Do you want your snorkel, Andrew?
There you go. Ready to go.
Right out. Wait, sunlight only needs one.
Light, no, no.
I'm only needs one.
He crossed over to the other side. It lit the other side. That's what I was thinking to do. Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Well, happy 4th of July, people. That's our fireworks show for this year. Hope you enjoyed it.